Good afternoon. Today we have Sushma Gaikwad, co-founder Wizcraft Mime and Ice Global. So my first question to you is, what do you think of this conference that brings together all the stakeholders of the industry?
I love this conference. I think the team, Anurag, Ruhail, Ojasvita, the entire team has put together an amazing conference. The thought of having experiential minds in under one roof, exchanging ideas, thoughts, concepts, best practices can never grow old. And also, it's an opportunity for us to reconnect. And I think that is why I really feel that this is one of the best conferences that I have attended in a long time, because this is kept it simple, it's kept direct, it's kept just the right size so that meaningful conversations can happen. So a big kudos to the entire team.
Thank you. And what is the one message you would like to give to the event industry?
Well, the one message that I'd like to give to the event industry is really let's get together and ensure that the industry moves together ahead in integrity. I think it is time that we start cleaning up our act. It is time that we get integrity into the fray. There's a lot of talent. There are many milestones that we have all reached together. But I think it's time that we all bind together for the better, the bigger and the better good of the industry, so that we can stand, otherwise what is ending up happening, the lack of integrity is really getting all of us fragmented. Undercutting, malpractices, it leaves room for a lot of ill that is slowly seeping into the industry. So it's time for us to get really into the space of integrity, do great work, amazing work, but stand for each other, stop undercutting each other. I think this is time now. I've been here for 34 years, and this is the one thing I would really like to see happen.
And if there's one life motto that you think
One life
motto that you truly believe in and has taken you forward, what would that be?
One mojo is have fun. I mean, that's it. That's the only mojo. If we enjoy our work, we're going to rock our life. So we have to have fun while you're at it. There's no room for stress. Be aware of our mental health, our spiritual health, physical health, be fit, be fine, and most important, have fun, dude. That's all that there is to it. Events is all about fun, so we should have fun while doing it.
That's great. It's wonderful talking to you. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you
your time.
so very much. Appreciate it.